What's up guys? So basically a couple of days ago I was making a beat and I decided to record myself while I was making the beat, but then I realized that my camera wasn't recording, so I stopped. Essentially I still have the footage of the computer from when I was making the beat, and so I will explain you what I did and why in this video. It's basically a kind of R&B beat, very chill in my opinion. I think you will like it, so let me know if you like it, okay? So this is the beat we're going to deconstruct today. I'm going, what? Let's say we. Is there anyone? So basic 7th and 9th. So in this part of the video is just me recording the vocals. Because it takes a lot of time to like slice it and mix it, so did my own. Okay, now I'm just adding some reverb, a little bit of distortion, limiter. That's what it sounds like. Okay, now I'm making drums. As you can see, it's nothing complicated. That's how they sound like. There's a little bit of sidechain, as you can see. So now I'm making the sound on Serum, as you can see. I just turned the first oscillator. I took a sine wave. That's how it sounds like. And I'm just tweaking it a little bit. As you can see, I'm playing with LFO, and in this part I was editing, so I speed it up. I added multiple voices in LFO, some reverb. I tried some downsample compression, but it didn't work well in this case, because I was looking for something sort of a pad in a way, so it wasn't really fitting, and that's what it sounds like. Wavy. Okay, in this part I'm adding a bass. I was looking for, the classical R&B dark bass. So I just played the last notes of the chord progression. Here is the bass. Here you can see the preset of the bass. I just played with the cutoff filter. So then I added a 3x oscillator. I put all the knobs on 0 on the sine wave. Added some strum, a lot of strum. That's what it sounds like. I'm gonna show you my live reaction when I made this one. This is my live reaction, like in here.
Wow.
This is literally the best compliment you can get as a music producer. The sneeze phase.
Wow.
Got you. So now I'm editing the sound, cutting a little bit, adding some EQ and some reverb as well to make it cleaner. That's how it sounds like. I was looking for something like a pad, but to use it as keys. So, okay, at this point I'm trying to play a melody on a MIDI keyboard. At least get an idea. Okay, now in this next clip I'm just cutting all the notes. And the melody was too long, the melody that I played. And so I'm trying to find something that has a little bit more of a loopy sound, like this. You know, it's nothing fancy, it's just a melody that helps the song flow a little bit, because there are a lot of melodic element in the beat. So I didn't want to use something heavy, I don't know, like a lead or something like that, because it would have been too much in my opinion at least. So I decided to go with something smooth. It's just 2 layers of Rhodes. No, actually 3 layers of Rhodes with some reverb, with a lot of wet signal and not a lot of dry signal. So that's why it has that kind of spacey feel and stuff like that. That's it basically. If you like the video, please make sure to leave a thumb up and subscribe to the channel if you like the video, if you want more content, because if you like the video, YouTube is going to recommend the video a bit more, and if YouTube does that, I can allocate more time to this secondary channel, so that I can you know, make more videos for you if you like them. And please also give me your feedback, because I'm still kind of new to this, and yeah, I would love to hear your opinion on the video. Have a nice day.